Series circuit on breadboard. $220 ohms resistor. Jumper wires. LED lights. 9 volts battery. Breadboard. Let's start the process. Add the 220 ohms resistor to the breadboard. Then add the LED lights. The longer lead the positive, add the positive to the end of the resistor. Add the second resistor. Place the second resistor to the end of LED lights. Add the second LED lights. Place the positive lead to the end of second resistor. Add the third resistor to the end of LED lights. Add the third LED light to end of resistor, the positive lead to the end of resistor. Now connect the jumper wire to negative and oath side to negative lead of the LED light. Then add one more jumper, connect to the positive and the other end to the first resistor. Then connect the 9 volts battery, the red wire, to the positive and the black wire to negative. In the series circuit, if I remove one LED light, all the light will also turn off.
Same what will happen if I remove one resistor, all the LED lights will turn off.